Get ready to become a true espresso maestro as we dive into the world of extraordinary coffee creations with the Ultima Cosa Espresso Machine and its accompanying barista guide. Join us as we explore the secrets of making different types of espresso-based delights that will tantalize your taste buds. First up, we have the classic espresso. A barista guide will walk you through the art of achieving the perfect crema and capturing the rich flavors of this staple of coffee lovers around the world. Next on our journey is the Doppio. Double the pleasure, double the flavor. Learn how to pull a double shot of espresso, creating a robust and intense espresso experience that will leave you craving for more. Next is the Americano. It's called the Americano because it's the Italian version of American coffee. You're basically adding a couple of shots of hot water to one shot of espresso. Whether you prefer a long, mellow Americano or a bolder flavor, Barista Guide has got you covered. Ready to unleash your inner barista? Let's dive into the delightful realm of lattes. From silky steamed milk to perfectly layered espresso, the Barista Guide will guide you through the art of creating a heavenly latte that is both visually stunning and incredibly delicious. Last, but certainly not least, let's master the iconic cappuccino. Explore the fine balance of rich espresso, velvety milk, and airy foam to achieve the quintessential cappuccino experience. Barista Guide will teach you the precise techniques for creating that perfect blend of flavors and textures. There you have it, a journey through the world of espresso wonders. To unlock more espresso secrets, expert tips, and delightful recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.